Hi friends and welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. 7 grams or 1 tablespoon of flax seeds contains micronutrients such as protein 1.3 grams, carbs 1.2 grams, fiber 1.9 grams and fat 3 grams. Secondly, it carries micronutrients such as folate, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphate, vitamin B6 and B1 and potassium. Optimal amounts of each of these can keep you disease-free. According to Ayurveda, people facing problems like malnutrition, bone and joint pain, weakness, and low flow during periods should include flax seeds in their diet. These seeds have a warming effect, which helps to soothe such issues. If you ever experience dehydration, adding these seeds to your daily meals can be helpful. Moreover, if someone is dealing with being underweight, these seeds are a great addition to their diet. Overconsumption of flax seeds can imbalance the pitta and kapha in the body because flax seeds have a hot and heavy nature. Flax seeds have many health benefits, but there are some precautions to consider. Who should avoid flax seeds? Eating too many flax seeds can affect your hormones and cause imbalances in women. This is known as seed cycling. If you are having problems like heavy periods, feeling too warm, trying to get pregnant, or having low interest in sex, you should cut back on eating these seeds. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should only have flax seeds on their doctor's advice. If you are taking medication for high cholesterol, avoid flax seeds as they can lower cholesterol levels significantly. Diabetic individuals should be cautious with flax seeds as they may interact with blood sugar lowering medications. People on blood thinners should also consult their doctor before eating flax seeds as they can thin the blood. Flax seeds have estrogen-like effects, so if you have a hormone-sensitive condition, they might make it worse. Flax seeds can cause constipation, bloating, and irregular bowel movements. Stay well hydrated to help the fibers digest properly. Can we eat flax seeds at night? Regarding eating flax seeds at night, it's perfectly fine and even beneficial for sleep. Flax seeds boost serotonin and contain magnesium, which helps with stress relief and better sleep. How to eat flax seeds? Raw or roasted? To eat flax seeds, it is best to roast them before consumption. Eating raw and unripe flax seeds can be harmful due to toxins. You can grind flax seeds and mix them in water to get the nutritional benefits in a gel-like consistency. You can also use flaxseed oil in cooking or sprinkle flax seeds on your meals. Make sure to get organic flax seeds for higher nutrient content. To prepare flax seeds, clean them thoroughly and roast in a skillet or microwave. Let them cool and enjoy, preferably during breakfast. That is all for today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to Healthy Natural Remedies channel for more content. Feel free to leave comments below on what you would like to see in future videos. Until next time, take care. Shubham Bhavatu.